Volcanoes are nature's ticking time bombs, in full flow, one of humanity's most fearsome sights. They're mythical, almost otherworldly. Nothing and no one on the planet can alter their course once they decide to remain silent no more. But that really is just the beginning, because dotted around the globe, supervolcanoes are ready and waiting to awaken with the power to wipe out entire continents. Some are hidden beneath our feet, others hide in plain sight. But when they make themselves known, there's nowhere to hide.